Okay, I have this kind of structure right here. We can't say that this is some kind of a crude structure. How I made the structure is I just change the slope of all these places. 30°, this one is 60, this one is 40, and this one is 60. Okay, that's the way that I created this type of slope. All the overhangs are the same. Okay, I didn't change any overhang. Okay, and once you finish this, you can see that this structure is crude because these lines should extend into this corner, but here it's not extending because of the slope issue. Okay, we need to somehow change this. We got two options. The first option is double clicking. You can align eaves right here. Align eaves. The first option is align adjust the overhang. Okay, alright, okay, adjusting the overhang. We can click the overhang that we need. Okay, we don't know currently what is it, so you can click anywhere. Okay, first, second, third, and fourth. Okay, that's okay. Now just stick it out. You can see this has been perfectly aligned. Okay, this is the first method. Now the second method is you can adjust the align is adjust the height. Okay, adjusting the height. Click on the height which you want to retain. First one, second one, third one. Okay, that's okay. Now just take it out, and once if you cut a section right through this, I'm gonna go and cut a section, and I'm gonna go into the section view. You can see that height has been adjusted to match the overhang. Okay, we just wanna type tab, attach topper base, then select this roof in order to make this perfect. Okay, that's it. That's the align to adjust eave option.